Hello guys, here we've got Motorola One 5G Ace, and let me show you how to activate night mode. So at first open the settings, then find and select display, and here click on night light. So once you want to activate it, click on turn on now, and here you can change the intensity. So just by using this scale you can personalize it however you like, and you can switch it off the same way. You can also schedule it, so if you wish to do it, click on schedule, and then you can use either from sunset to sunrise option, or you can set custom time, so just click on custom time and then pick the start and end time. Then it will be activated between those hours. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.